Hello, my name's Brianna, and today for my media/organization speech, I'm going to be talking about the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Every 28 seconds, someone attempts suicide. Suicide is the second leading cause of death for people ages 15 to 24 years old. 40% of those identifying as transgender have attempted suicide in their lifetime. How many of you can say they know of someone or have heard of someone who has battled mental illness or even committed suicide? Suicide impacts anyone. It does not discriminate. Even the happiest person you know can be suffering from darkness inside. What is it? The organization is a national network of local crisis centers that provide free and confidential emotional support to people in suicidal crisis or emotional distress 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, meaning at any given moment you can call in and somebody waiting on the other end will try to talk you through what's going on and make you feel that you are not alone. Some warning signs. People may say some of the following if they are suicidal. So they may talk about killing themselves. And they might say, I think about ending my life all the time. They may feel hopeless, feeling like there is no point in even trying to get help. Having no reason to live. They might say, I don't feel like I have a reason to go on. They may feel like they're a burden to others and feel that all they do is hurt other people. They may feel trapped. They may say, I don't know what to do anymore. There's no way out. And they may feel unbearable physical and emotional pain and say, I just want all this pain to go away. And if you've ever felt any way, I know some of us have had really bad days, you feel alone and it's not a fun feeling to have. So the point of this organization is to help you feel that getting help is okay and know that there are people that care about you. Suicidal behavior. Someone who is suicidal may look for ways to end their lives, including online searches for possible methods. They may isolate themselves, so somebody that maybe once was very outgoing, always went out, now is always just home. Sleeping too much or too little. Maybe you have a friend or even yourself. You don't want to get out of bed anymore, you just lay around all day. People that are suicidal may start to say their goodbyes to others, and they may give away valued possessions, and they may start to become aggressive. In 2017, rapper Logic released a song using the suicide prevention number as the title, and the suicide prevention number is 1-800-273-8255. The song shone light on the benefits of reaching out for help and to show that you are not alone. The day it was released, the number of calls coming in went up to 27%. And up in the right corner is some of the lyrics from that song. How can you help? You can encourage somebody that is feeling suicidal to reach out for help. You can tell a loved one or someone close that you trust. You can text the crisis text line on their behalf at 741-741. If you believe the person is at critical and immediate risk, you can even call 911. If you are suicidal, you are not alone. Please talk to someone, and they will help you see the brighter side of life and help you through the darkness. Thank you for listening.